Who is ready for an inside look at Lowe's Aventura Hotel at Universal Orlando Resort? My name is Brandon, and I am the owner of Magic Land Vacations, the travel planning genies. Welcome to another fireside chat in my hotel room. Full disclosure, this is my anniversary weekend, and I wanted to go to Volcano Bay and experience some really cool things at Universal Orlando as a travel agency owner, so I could also share with all of you guys. And I was a little bit derelict on not my B-roll filming, but like filming it like as I was doing it. So we're doing fireside chat today, and today we're going to talk about everything I really want you guys to know about Aventura Hotel. Now, Aventura Hotel is really amazing in a lot of different respects than the other Universal area hotels. Now, one of the things I love the most about this hotel is that it has its completely own unique vibe. This vibe of Aventura Hotel is really more modern. It really is not quite as family friendly as some of the other hotels. It is the perfect hotel for couples, for young adults, for friends that are adults, because of the decor and the way it's decorated. It's just really unique and has a really cool vibe. Let's talk about some of the amenities and why I love Aventura Hotel. First of all, they have a pretty big selection of quick service that you can have breakfast, lunch, or dinner at the Urban Pantry. They have a wok station, a sushi station. They have a roast station, which is also where you get some really awesome burgers. They have wood fire pizza, and they also have gelato. And I love it because it's just, first of all, the food is delicious. And second of all, there's something for everybody to try. Now, of course, you have your Universal Studios store, which is located inside the hotel. So if you need any Harry Potter merchandise or some lanyards before you go to the parks, you have that at your disposal. What really sets Aventura Hotel apart is Bar 17. Bar 17 is Aventura's rooftop bar located on the 17th floor of Aventura Hotel, and it has the most amazing views of all of Orlando. Of course, you can see Volcano Bay, which has its own walking path from Aventura Hotel. You can see the beautiful Orlando skyline. 360 views. It is absolutely stunning, absolutely incredible. And even if you're not staying at Aventura Hotel, I highly recommend that you take an Uber or drive over here and just go up to the rooftop bar and experience it, because it is really, really amazing and really, really special. And I'm so glad that I experienced it myself. And of course, there are those other amenities that you love to have at your Universal Resort Area Hotel, like a fitness center. You guys know, if you've watched this channel long enough, that every single vacation, I always like to go work out, and they have a very awesome fitness center here. It's not as amazing as Cabana Bay, but it will do the job, and they have treadmills, they have ellipticals, they have free weights, they have machines. They got the whole kit and caboodle. Now, I already mentioned that Aventura has its own unique walking path to Volcano Bay, but what I didn't tell you is that the walking path is literally not a very long walking path. I was expecting like a really long walk to get into Volcano Bay, but literally you walk around the spa of Aventura Hotel and you open up this door and then boom, you're in the security line for Volcano Bay to enter that park. That is a huge benefit. If you're definitely going to go to Volcano Bay, I would consider staying at Aventura Hotel. Now, obviously, I'm sitting in my room right now at night after having dinner, and I'm unpacked, so I'm not going to show you what the room looks like right now because it is crazy. But you can check out this footage from the very first night that we actually checked in, and the room is really, really nice. You have contemporary furniture in here. We're in a king-size room. They also have 2 queen bedrooms as well. It is very modern, it's very minimalistic, and I love it. Now, one thing that is unique, that is right next to me, that I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys, is you have these iPads. Now, this is something that is really unique to Aventura Hotel, but you actually control the lights in here with the iPad, you control the TV with the iPad, you can sign into your own Hulu account with the iPad. It also controls the air conditioning with the iPad. So, sometimes people are confused when they get into these rooms because they don't realize that the power of the room is in the power of the pad. And the last and final thing is transportation. Transportation from Aventura is going to be buses, except for Volcano Bay. So for Islands of Adventure and Universal Studios Florida, you will take the bus, which is right outside of the resort hotel. Highly recommend this for couples, like I said before, and adult friends that are traveling together. Older kids will love this hotel as well. They have a really cool gaming area that's outside by the pool, but younger kids probably not gonna love this hotel as much as some of the other hotels.
Thank you guys so much for watching one of our another amazing videos. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already so you don't miss any of our amazing new videos. We are Magicland Vacations Disney and Universal travel planning experts. And make sure if you haven't already, check out our website, magiclandvacations.com. There you can schedule a consultation with one of our amazing experts. And guess what? We do way more than just Disney and Universal Vacations, so definitely want to check us out there. Also, make sure you go to our private Facebook group, Travel Genie Fan Club, where we do giveaways and trivia contests every single month. And of course, I have 2 other amazing videos for you to watch. One right over here and one right over there. One right there and one right there. I think I would start with that one, or maybe that one, or maybe that one.